Hey, what's going on, everyone? All right, so gonna do things a little different today. I went ahead and just ripped open a box of 91 tops and pretty much pulled all the Hall of Famers, All-Star, Record Breaker cards, Cup cards, etc. to the side, and of course the cards I'm looking for. Chipper, Griffey, and not too much you could pull from the 91. Just a bunch of Hall of Famers though. So pretty much here's the box with the commons. Some fell, but real nice cards. These are from the box that I got from the liquor store. I mean, the guy still has probably another 15 boxes, and really at $5 a piece. I think I'm just gonna go snatch them all up. So yeah, let's get into it. Put these to the side, and of course here's the packs they come in. 15 cards per pack, and each pack comes with one of these inserts. I guess they're giving away some instant win game with, and I guess if this card had an X on it, you could win a set from the 50s up to 1990. So not sure if any of you guys ever won that or known somebody. I sure haven't. So okay, here's the cup cards. Felix Jose, Sandy Alomar, Jeff Huson, Larry Walker, Robin Ventura, and Lionel DeShields. Here's the #1 draft picks. Tim Costo, Shane Andrews, Ronnie Walden, Kurt Miller, and Carl Everett. All right, future stars. Lance Dixon, Greg Colbrun, Jose Offerman, and Tim McIntosh. Some record breakers. We got, who's this? This is Kevin Mass. We have Nolan Ryan, Carlton Fisk, and Ryan Sandberg. For some reason I didn't know this guy. Definitely know these players. All right, 4 record breakers. Got some All-Stars. And these cards right here, if you were to get some boxes from an early print, there's some errors on these cards. I actually have one of Barry Bonds, and this card right here, and on the back of it there's 1990 NFL stats. So definitely a pretty cool card. I like error cards. Overall, it's a really nice card. Feels good. Oh yeah, sorry guys. The reason why I'm wearing gloves today is because Elite Coat 3 was wearing them, and I just wanted to be cool like him. No, I'm just kidding. No, I really just have a bunch of paint all over my hands and didn't want to gross you guys out, so thought I'd throw them on. Just joking, Elite, if you even watch my videos. All right, that's the All-Stars. And on to the Hall of Famers. Well, not, these aren't Hall of Famers. This is just pretty cool. Jose Canseco, and I don't know if any of you, I don't know if you guys knew this. I'm sure a lot of you older cats do, but Jose Canseco actually had an identical twin brother, Ozzie Canseco, and played for the A's. wasn't quite as great of a player as his brother, Jose, but I mean, who could tell that story of playing with their brother on the same team for the MLB? I know I can't. All right. Here we go. We got some Tim Raines, The Rock, Gary Carter, Craig Biggio, Tony Gwynn, George Brett, Tom Glavine, Edgar Martinez, got Lee Smith, Barry Larkin, George Brett, got Mark McGwire, Cal Ripken, Ricky Henderson. It's a pretty cool one. Got Bo, Ozzie Smith. A lot of these are in action. Most of them are. Alan Trammell, Roberto Alomar, Donnie Baseball, real cool dude. Met him when he was with the Dodgers in spring training at the ranch. Paul Molitor. Actually, have a buddy who works for the ranch and gave me a little tour and seen his office, Lasorda's, and it was pretty cool. All right, and Dawson. And these ones I penny sleeved. We got Dave Justice. Just thought he was a stud of a player. Cup card. Sammy Sosa. Frank Thomas. Got Chipper Jones. Only got one. Thought we were gonna get at least two. I'm happy with it. All right, Ken Griffey. All-Star Ken Griffey. And these three cards were like my favorite out of this whole set. The Nolan Ryan, Roger Clemens, right next to the strikeout, and this Boggs. Just super cool. So that's pretty much it for 91. Rather than just breaking the packs and having you guys watch, decided to just rip it open and show you guys what I pulled. So pretty much draft picks, future stars, cup cards, record breakers, all-stars, Jose and Ozzie, Hall of Famers, and cards I was actually searching for. So there's our stack of cards right there. All right, any questions or comments, just drop them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll be making another video here soon. See ya.